As always, high five. After the five, it's another Matter Hackers PETG video. Oh my goodness. I hope you don't hate me yet. That would be terrible. This PETG is performing really well. This is so cool, right? I mean, this is cool. I love the idea of doing something that that provides a benefit. I would call this a practical print. I would call this a useful print. I think that stuff like this, especially using materials like this, is where 3D printing can really shine. I remember as a kid, you had mounted in the garage some sort of can crusher. You'd put the can in and then you'd pull down the arm and it would go and crush the can. And usually below that was some sort of plastic sack for collecting all the cans, and then you'd take them to recycling. This is similar in effort. I think that it would be great for families. I think something like this would be fantastic for families who wanted to promote recycling with their kids. I think that once I can get this remodeled to fit larger cans, then we'll do this with the kids and we'll see if they can stomp on it to get the can squished. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Oh man. This contest too. I don't know how long it's open for. I just kind of saw it because I was on Twitter. And when I was on Twitter, I saw that My Mini Factory retweeted Michael. And I saw this can thing. And so hopefully he sees the video and hopefully he sees that I printed it, because it's kind of a lot of fun. The Prusa's still doing a fantastic job. I love these, the flex plates. I mean, oh my gosh. If every 3D printer going forward could have some sort of flexible build plate and some sort of automatic or assisted bed leveling, the world would be a better place. That's what I'm saying. Oh, you know what? Here's my phone. So to keep track of the names and stuff, I made myself a little Google Doc. And so I've got Michael Fanta, 250 milliliter cans, SO/My Mini Factory, Upcycling Competition, BCN3D Sigmax, hashtag Fueling Innovation, the Can Press, Matter Hackers Build, PETG. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Did I forget the temperature? I did forget the temperature. Ugh. I wonder if I can go back and reshoot that part. Dang it. All right, maybe I will. Hey, you know what? You guys watching this, if for some reason in the video you see me mentioning a temperature, you'll know that I shot it after recording this. I think that's wonderful. I'm gonna do that. Okay, I think that's fair. I think that's fair. I'm gonna do that. I owe that to you, my audience. All right, I don't know what else to say for this one. Oh, let's see. Oh, excuse me. I hope to not yawn so much anymore because I don't have to record at night, but it's Sunday night. It's 10:40. Tuesday morning, I leave for the Los Angeles area to attend SolidWorks World. And then I'm there. And then on February 8th, there's a meetup at Matter Hackers. And then I fly home February 9th. With the sponsorship deal I have with Matter Hackers, I do have to fulfill some obligations, which is fine because that's how sponsorships work. I think that it's going to be extremely valuable for me to shoot some good content down at the Matter Hackers facility. There might be some pre-rolls or some like mid-video ads that I do owe to Matter Hackers. And so why not get stuff like that done at Matter Hackers? Why not do it while I'm pulling filament? Or why not do it while I'm running around their building acting like a monkey or something? I don't know. So we'll try to do that. I think that'll be fun. Let's see. And then there may be a company that I get to visit in New York soon. Oh man, I think that'd be a lot of fun. We've got Bay Area Maker Faire coming up. We've got MRF, Midwest Rep Rap Festival, coming up. Oh man, I'm gonna be busy, but it's my kind of busy. Oh, this is exciting. So, it's a Sunday night. So tomorrow, I would be waking up to go to work at Adobe, but instead tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is wake up and help take the kids to school, and then I'll get a coffee, and then I'll answer some business emails, and I think I've got Adam coming over to help with some lighting. Oh man, I got a busy week. All right, well, you know what? A big thanks for watching this, and if you're watching this, it's because you're a member of the High Five Club and you support me, and your support it legitimately helps ensure that my kids have something to eat, and that's wonderful. So I'll just keep doing this as long as, and you keep doing that, and the world will be a better place. All right. Hey, you know what? See you on the next one.